Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot today, and I wanted to share this with you. This is a 2011 Chevy Silverado. It is the LT, and it does have a 5.3 liter V8 engine in it. We'll do a quick walk around, and then we'll go on the inside. You can see it does have the dark tinted windows in the rear. Chrome running boards. You do have a slight lift on this, and you can see with the aftermarket tires and rims on it. Very nice truck. So we'll go around here and you can see the flares on it. It does have a short bed, so let's go back here, show you what the back looks like. One nice thing with this truck I do want to point out is flex fuel. So as you can see right there, you find you a station that offers that, generally speaking, cheaper per gallon. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bed. Okay, and as you can see, it does already come with a bed liner in it and tinted window on the back. Okay, we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side. Take a little bit of time with this to show it to you. And let's go ahead and we'll hop in the back. I'll show you the back seat. Now you can see it does have a tan interior. There are some stains that are on the back seat. Go up here and show you the headliner. No rips, no tears. You do have two-tone color on your door panels, the tan and the black. So let's go ahead and take a look up front. Okay, we'll take a look up here, show you the door panel, your window controls and locks. And your controls here for your lights. So let's go ahead and climb up. Okay, we're up inside. I got the truck running. Do a little quick pan around. And I want to show you the gauges on this. So I'll get in here a little closer. And as of now, with the mileage on this is 175,924. And you do have steering wheel controls on the left side of your wheel here for your cruise control, and your audio and Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone is on the right. You do have volume up and down. And go over here, you can see here's your selector for your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, and your stereo system. It does have a CD player. And look down here and you can see your climate control. Now you do have 3 cup holders here. Storage compartment. Let's take a look in back. Okay, here you can see your back seat area, and there's actually ample leg room that is down here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our tour. 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT trim package. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Area code 740-992-4443. You can submit an application right on our website through our secured site. We've got a lot of lenders willing to loan money right now. So if you've got great credit, average credit, or dinged up credit, you know, we've got something here for just about everybody. So with that, hope you have a great day.